Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to take you through our 2020 MasterCraft NXT20. Just got this boat in, it's a beauty. It's got the red and gray with a little bit of white accent on the outside of the boat. It's got the fiberglass sea deck swim platform. NXTs have this great step here for just sitting and hanging out or putting on your wakeboard and getting all geared up for going in the water. Has the nice cloud gray with red accent in the interior. Swivel board racks, 2 Clish tower speakers. Stepping on in, this boat has the 4-inch screen, new to this year on the NXTs. They have the presets for surfing and wakeboarding, so it makes it just super easy, one touch. Clish control center. This boat has the subwoofer with the upgraded sound system. Has a nice walkthrough right here. Nice big open bow, plenty of room in this boat, very comfortable to sit in. Cup holders up here, Clish speakers, very nice to sit here and sit backwards and look back towards this way and watch what's going on. Comfortable contour. It's got the snap-in carpet. This boat's equipped with a 6.0 liter motor, plenty of horsepower, Gen 2 surf system. Boat surf's great, wakeboard's great, just a fantastic boat for everybody. Get out on the water on this wonderful 2020 MasterCraft NXT22. Check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Come and see us at the store or call us at 864-236-9005. Or you can come and check us out next weekend at the boat show, January 23rd through the 26th at the Greenville Convention Center, and see all of our MasterCraft 2020 lineup for the new year. Thank you.